First the raindrops whisper on the ground. Empty streets, no voices around. Gray clouds hold the day in hand. A muted world, a quiet stand. Wind hums low through hollow trees. Soft sighs carried in the breeze. Puddles stretch like fragile mirrors, reflecting worlds of hidden fears. Steady falls a gentle sound. Time dissolves, they can't rebound. Rippled patterns ever flow. Where they lead we'll never know. Branches drip their silver tears. Fading whispers calm my fears. A distant echo hums below. In rainfall's lap the world lets go. A symphony of drops at play. They paint the skies in shades of gray. Through every splash they breathe alive. A tranquil song for us to die. When rain fades and silence grows, a goodbye only nature knows. The ground's still wet, the air still mild. Peaceful stillness reconciled.